Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I didn't talking about drawing, but I will show you and I will show you how to make a sticker. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. That I need to have it is this scissors, a double tape. I have a jumbo one and a tape. All of them is big and some marker and colorings. I use crayon. So first that we need to do is draw that you want. Use this marker. It is not my marker, but you can use anything that you want. What should I draw? That I want to draw again is I think I will draw the kawaii candy. So like this, and I will draw like this is like a bow. So after that I will make the eyes. I didn't mean to draw a bow. I will make it. The eye is kawaii and so I'll make this strips and some dots. Right here like a pizza. After that, like this, I think I draw like a triangle. So like this. After that, I will color it. If you can draw it, you can use the printer to get the picture. So I will color it now. I will color it this crayon. Before I make this video, I will feel so nervous. So I didn't get it. Not get it. I mean, I don't know what I want to say. So I colored this so to make it more look nice. This is a candy, right? Not a bow, that I make. After that, I will use this crayon. The color is blue. So like this. You can use any colorings than crayon. You can use pencil colors, marker, and paint. You can use anything that you want. So so like this. So it looks nice. And after that, if you don't color it, you need to give a tape so it's not gonna be ripped or wet when the water are spilled. Yeah, so after that, we will put this. And if you need it, again, you can give it more. It. I didn't need this. Already give the tape, and after that we will cut it. So you need to be careful to not get to your hands, that it may hurt. So I make this bows, not a bow sticker, but the candy. Yeah. when I'm baby, I like to draw it. So when I draw a candy, it's really like a bow. Yeah, you can draw anything, or if you don't want to draw, it's like long. You can print the picture that you want. Yeah. So this is my bow, and let's give. Oh my gosh! And let's give the double tape. Yeah. So this my double tape is new, yeah. Oh yeah, so like this, and if you are like going out, so I can cut it if I can't. can give it more if you need. Oh, the scissors. It's full with double tape. So, and we'll give the part that needs the double tape. So like this, and cut it that you didn't use it. Oi. Like this, and I didn't have a wax paper yet, so I will stick in my DIY sticker book. I made it by myself, and I have this, so I have a new one that is the bow one, the jumbo bow one. Yeah, so I will stick at there. Yeah, it is not too hard to peel it. I already peel it and stick. So like this. Is better, so it doesn't yeah, I use this normal paper, yeah, so like that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch other videos to make something or yeah, draw something else. Okay, bye bye.